Why wait for network wiring? With patented technology, you can install and test IP cameras before the network team even arrives. These patented tools power the camera and stream video to your phone, tablet, or laptop over Wi-Fi or wired connection. Just plug, power, and position. Power PoE or 12-volt cameras. Monitor voltage and power at the input, charge your mobile device, and even access wired image connections, all in one compact tool. Vi00023 and Vi00023L are compact, rugged, and hands-free, with a full workday of battery life and a shoulder strap for easy use anywhere. Vi00023 features a removable battery with a spare. Vi00023L comes with an integrated battery in a lighter form factor. Everything you need is included: carrying case, fast charger, shoulder strap, RJ45 cable, and for Vi00023, an extra battery. Trusted by professionals worldwide, Vigitron delivers lifetime warranty, free design services, and complete installation solutions.